Santa Paula aerobatic box. This is helicopters red, white, and blue. Anybody in that aerobatic box, please? Advise. In Santa Paula.
Brunel Pets, currently south of the 126, working between about 1,000 and 5,000 feet.
Okay, I'd like to work in the southwest corner at between 2,000 and 3,000. That work for you? I'll stay west of the river and south near Santa Paula. Is that going to work for you between 2,000 and 3,000?
Just a minute, I'm sorry. Yeah, that should be okay. I'll move out. We got somebody working out just east of Fillmore, so I'll stay over here. I'm closer to Fillmore, between 3,000 and 5,000 feet.
Okay, great. That'd be perfect. Thank you.
Blue and white 150 is going to stay east of Fillmore, 3,000 feet.
Okay, which side of the river are you going to be on?
We're right in the center.
Okay, perfect. I'll stay way off over here by the mountains on the west side. On the southwest side.
Simi Valley practice area, Skyhawk 107 Alpha Foxtrot is at 3,500 east end of the valley, westbound. All traffic, please advise. And skydive in 1 minute, 9,500 feet below the stairs.
Hey guys.
Decent. Good luck. Shoot as many as you can, long lens.
Skydive progress, 95 below Paris, please stay clear.
I don't know if he's going to have a good lens to see us at it because we're going to be out about here.
Should be okay.
I usually use this road as my reference point.
Got a really good camera, so even if it doesn't fill the frame, it'll...
He'll have all this in the background.
Yeah.
So it'll be pretty background for him.
Sun's perfect.
Pardon me?
Sun's in just the right spot, too.
Oh yeah, it is too. Yeah. Okay,
I tried to film you in San Diego, the sun destroyed it.
Okay, let's turn around and go the other way.
Yeah, we have the immediate passenger we're calling right now, pass over.
Okay, we'll do a loop.
Yeah, go ahead, Tim. Okay.
Very nice.
Huh? We'll do a split S.
Okay, yeah, I turned that on about, rated about 0.7 for the green light, so we'll do that later then.
Quite nimble.
Yeah, it is. We'll do another loop.
Simi Valley practice area, Skyhawk 107 Alpha Foxtrot is about 3 to the northeast of Jenna Lake, 3,500 eastbound.
What I'll do is call a pushover. That's where I come up. Go straight up in the air right here. Go to 0 airspeed. Go to negative G. Push it straight over like this. Go straight down. And then turn it. And pull out.
Beautiful.
Half Cubanate.
Filming?
Pardon me?
Filming?
Oh yeah. I'll do another one with, and that's on the outside. I'll film that same thing on the inside.
Shark to Highland Base 3.
St. Paul practice area, blue and white 150s over the 126, 2,500 feet in between Santa Paula and Fillmore maneuvering.
Seymour Valley practice area, Skyhawk 107 Alpha Foxtrot.
All right. Getting good shots?
Yeah.
Cool.
That pass you did over,
Yeah.
that was awesome.
Cool.
Must get hot in here.
It does. Gets hot in here, is right. It's a little glass house. Okay, I got 2 minutes before I can shut it down. Gotta cool off the engines.
Nice landing.
That's alright for a beginner.